Hello, and welcome to this special episode of the Peej's Workshop, where I will be repainting my first toy train I ever had. This is my gateway drug to model railroading right here. And I'm gonna get it back to its original blue. As you can see, I once attempted to paint it again. I don't even know what kind of paint it was. It's a very long time ago. I think I was maybe 10. If that. But let's do a little paint stripping, sanding, polishing, and repaint it. So let's get started. This was a labor of love, and there it is. Looking good. Very happy to have it back to its original glory, as I remember it as a kid. Add a little silver for the headlight there, sort of. His little hands were a little shaky. Paulie didn't have his medicine yet. But I like how it came out. Looks real good. Almost brand new. Well, that's all for me for now. See ya!